In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Teams notification sound. Microsoft Teams can be an incredibly useful tool for staying connected and productive, but if you find the default notifications sound a bit too distracting or perhaps too similar to other alerts you receive, changing it might just be the solution you're looking for. Let's take a closer look at how you can customize this aspect of your Teams experience. First, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you're in the application, head over to the top right corner of your window. Here, you're going to find your profile picture or initials, which is your main navigation hub for settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for Settings and give it a click. Now you're in the heart of where you can customize Teams to better fit your preferences. Within the Settings window, you'll see several options on the left-hand panel. One of these options will be Notifications. Selecting this will open up the Notification Settings page. It's here that you can control the various notification sounds and alerts associated with your Teams activity. Within this section, you'll find different categories like mentions, messages, meetings, and more. Now, for changing the notification sound, we're specifically interested in message notifications. Within the message section on the right panel, simply scroll down until you find the sound option listed. This is where the customization happens. Click on the drop-down menu next to Sound and you'll be presented with a list of available sounds you can choose from. Microsoft Teams provides a variety of options, so take a moment to listen to them and find one that suits your taste and stands out to you. Select your preferred notification sound by clicking on it, and it will be set for all your message alerts from then on. While you explore these options, consider a tip. Choosing a sound distinctly different from other apps can help you immediately identify that it's Teams alerting you, which might be particularly useful in a busy day filled with various notifications. Once you've made your choice, take a moment to test it out by sending yourself a message or asking a colleague to send you one within Teams. This way, you can ensure that the sound is to your liking and recognizable in your work environment. And there you have it, a personalized and hopefully more enjoyable notification sound for your Microsoft Teams. With just a few simple clicks, you've not only tweaked your settings but optimized your daily workflow to keep distractions minimal and focus top-notch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this small change makes your Teams experience that much better.